Welcome, students. I hope all are well. Now today is my second class. Now I am taking a accountancy. Now this chapter is explain interest on capital. Now in previous class I already discussed what is Partnership Act 1932 section 4, what is partnership deed, and what is the provision of partnership deed if partnership deed is silenced in the different cases already discussed in the previous class. Now today I am discuss on interest on capital. So what is interest on capital? It is very important in partnership chapter. The interest on capital is the appropriation of profit, and it is provided only if there is profit, and is provided only if there is profit. It will be treated as partnership deed, and it is treated as partnership deed provided. Now it says so of that capital. So it is an appropriation of profit. It is an appropriation of profit. It is an appropriation of profit, and it is provided on only if there is profit. Only if there is profit. Only if there is profit. If partnership deed provided, if partnership deed provided, now it is charged against profit, and so it is provided only if there is profit. Also only this is only profit. Journal entry. Now is the journal. Profit and loss appropriation account debit. Profit and loss appropriation account debit. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners capital account or partners current account. Partners capital account and partners current account. Okay, so now again I will discuss. It is an appropriation of profit and is provided only if there is a profit. It is provided only if there is profit. If partnership deed provided, now it is charged against profit. Journal entry. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners capital. Now different cases related. Now different cases related on interest on capital. Very important. Different cases related on interest on capital. Different cases related on interest on capital. Case 1. Case 1. When partnership deed is silent, when partnership deed is silent, interest on capital is not provided. When partnership deed is silent, interest on capital is not provided. Case 2. when partnership agreements provided, when partnership agreement provided, if partnership agreement provided that interest on capital, that interest on capital, if partnership agreement provided that interest on capital. Now in this case, now this regard the situation, three situations occurred. Situation 1, situation 1, in case of loss, situation 1, in case of loss, not allowed. In case of loss, not allowed. Not allowed means the partnership interest on capital is not allowed. Situation 2, situation 2, in case there are sufficient profit, the sufficient profit interest on capital fully allowed. In case sufficient profit, in case of loss not allowed, in case sufficient profit interest on capital is fully allowed. Situation 3, situation 3, in case if there are insufficient profit, if there are insufficient profit, the insufficient profit are to be distributed, insufficient profit are to be distributed, interest on capital distributed in the ratio of capital, in the ratio of profit are to be distributed in the ratio of capital or ratio of interest on capital, ratio of capital or interest on capital. Case 2, case 1, case 2, case 3. Case 3, when partnership agreement says, when partnership agreement says, when partnership agreement says interest on capital, agreement says interest on capital, interest on capital as charged, interest on capital as charged, now it is fully allowed, fully allowed. When partnership agreement says interest on capital is charged as now fully allowed of capital. Charge means charge against profit. Now again discuss different cases related to interest on capital. Case 1, when partnership deed is silent, interest on capital is not provided. Case 2, when partnership agreement provide the interest on capital is when partnership agreement provide that interest on capital. Situation 1, in case of loss not allowed. Situation 2, in case there are sufficient profit, now fully allowed of interest on capital. Situation 3, if there are insufficient profit are to be distributed in the ratio of capital. Case 3, when partnership agreement says interest on capital as charged, fully allowed. I think it is clear, students. Interest on capital always calculated now opening capital. Interest on calculated always capital now opening capital. But in the question, opening capital is not given, but closing capital is given. How to calculate opening capital from the closing capital? Now, International capital always calculated opening capital. The how to calculate in question paper is given closing capital is there. Calculation for opening capital. Calculation for opening capital when closing capital is given. When closing capital is given. Calculation for opening capital when closing capital is given. Closing capital add drawings two types, cash, kind. Add interest on drawings, less additional capital oblique further capital interest on capital less partner salary oblique commission bonus etc. less share of profit of the partners now this is opening capital. Now again I repeat it. Closing capital given in the question, add drawings, cash or kind, interest on drawings, less additional capital or further capital, less interest on capital, less partner salary commission, oblique bonus, less share of profit. This is the opening capital. They are too much important. Remember it. Interest on capital always calculated on opening capital. Now I am discuss all the situation given the problem. Now at first given the problem situation wise or case wise. Now the student is clearly understanding from that the interest on capital. Problem regarding interest on capital for situation wise. R and S partners sharing profits in the ratio of 7:3 with capital of rupees of rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1 lakh. So the distribution of profit. Profit in following cases. Distribution profit in following cases. 1. If partnership deed is silent, if partnership deed is silent, partnership deed is silent as to interest on capital if partnership is silent as to interest on capital and the profits for the year rupees 90,000. The how to calculate the distribution, how to showing the profits for the following cases. Now partnership deed is silent. In the problem, partnership deed is silent as interest on capital is a profit for the year rupees 90,000. Ratio of capital 7 profit 7:3. A capital will be given 2 lakh and 1 lakh. Partners R and S. The profit and loss appropriation account solution. Profit and loss appropriation account. By profit and loss account 90,000 debit credit to share of profit transfer to partners capital transfer to partners capital R S. Now in this case partnership deed is silent, so interest on capital is not allowed. Only profit will be distributed to the partners. Now profit 90,000. The 90,000 share of profit 7:3 into 7 by 10 63,000 and 90,000 3 by 10 27,000 90,000. Clear? Now clear? Now the problem, show the distribution of profit. Now profit will be distributed in this way. Why? Now partnership deed is silent. So no interest on capital is allowed. Clear? Next problem. Next problem, partnership deed is allowed interest on capital if partnership deed is allowed interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum per annum and the profit for the year rupees 90,000. Now another problem, if partnership deed is allowed 90,000. Now partnership did allowed institutional capital. Now here is sufficient profit. Now here is sufficient profit for rupees 90,000. Now fully allowed of international capital. Now to interest on capital. To interest on capital are 2 lakh into 10%. 2 lakh. Now interest on capital 10%. So 2 lakh into 10% is equal to 20,000. Is 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 10%. 10,000. 30,000. To share of profit. To share of profit 60,000. Share of profit transfer to share of profit transfer to partners capital. Transfer to partners capital RS 60,000. Profit share of it 7:3, 7 by 10, 42,000. $60,000 into 3 by 10. Now the share of profit distribution R and S 42,000 and 18,000. Total 90,000. Clear? Now this situation will be interest on capital 10%, partnership deed is allowed, and here is sufficient profit. Now when profit will be sufficient, then interest on capital is fully allowed. Interest on capital is fully allowed. Now sufficient net profit 90,000, interest on capital 2 lakh, 10% 20,000, 30,000 will be given. Now the balance will be profit distributed to the share of transfer to partners capital in the existing profit ratio. Clear? Next problem regarding this, case 3, if partnership deed allowed interest on capital 10% per annum and losses for the year and the losses for the year, losses for the year rupees 90,000. Losses for the year rupees 90,000. Now here partnership deed is allowed and here losses for the year rupees 90,000. So in this situation, loss when loss will be arises, so no interest on capital. Interest on capital is not allowed. When loss will be arises, interest on capital is not allowed. But is now how to show the distribution of profit. How to show the distribution of profit. Now it is profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. Now here is loss, the to profit and loss account. To profit and loss account. Net loss 90,000 by loss transfer to partners capital, loss transfer to partners capital R S 90,000 loss transfer to partners capital, then 90,000 into 7 by 10, 63 90,000 into 3 by 10 27,000 total 90,000. তাহলে in this situation partnership did allowed interest on capital 10% and losses for the year 90,000. Losses for the year 90,000. So when the loss is arises, interest on capital is not provided to the partners. Okay, clear? Next problem. Now I discuss the situation wise how to calculate the interest on capital. Is very important. It is very important how to calculate the situation wise interest on capital. Number 4. If partnership is allowed interest on capital 10% per annum and the profit for the year and the profit for the year rupees 18,000 and the profit for the year rupees 18,000. Now here is insufficient profit but partnership is allowed interest on capital. Now interest on capital will be distributed in the ratio of capital. Ratio of profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation by net profit or profit and loss appropriation account 18,000 to interest on capital. Is allowed. Now here is interest on capital is allowed. Now capital will be distributed in the profit. Distributed on the profit in the ratio of capital. The net profit 18,000, interest on capital R and S, 18,000 into ratio of capital 2:1, 2 by 3, 12,000 and 18,000 into 1 by 3, 6,000, 18,000. So how to now show the distribution of profit? In this case, now insufficient profit will be insufficient, but partnership deed is allowed interest on capital. Partnership is provided interest on capital. Now firm's profit is only 18,000. Now it is provided only in interest on capital as the ratio of capital, ratio of the partner's capital or interest on capital, ratio of partner's capital or interest on capital. So 18,000 into 2 by 3, 12,000, or 18,000 into 1 by 3, 6,000. Note, since the profit is less than the interest on capital here, now write down. Note, since the profit is less than the interest on capital, that is total interest on capital, 30,000, that is R 20,000 and S 10,000, R 10,000, and it will be distributed to the to the share of capital. share of capital oblique interest on capital is too much important. Profit is less than the interest on capital. Profit is less than, you can here interest on capital 30,000. Now profit is 18,000. Profit is 18,000. Now in that case, if partnership deed is allowed, in that case, interest on capital allowed only interest on capital. That is 18,000 into 2 by 3, 12,000. Is 18,000 into 1,000 is equal to 18,000. Clear? Next problem. Next problem, it is provided for interest on capital for situation wise. Case number 5. Case number 5. If partnership deed provides interest on capital 10% per annum and the profit for the year rupees, and the profit for the year if the partnership provides for interest on capital 10% per annum and the profit, if the profit involves the firm and the per annum, even if it is involved, even if it is involved firm, involves the firm loss, involves the firm in loss and the profit for the year loss and the profit for the year rupees 18,000. It involves the firm is loss and profit for the year rupees 18,000. How to calculate this? If partnership is allowed interest on capital 10% per annum, even if it is involved the firm is loss and the profit is the year 18,000. How to calculate this? Profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. By profit and loss account, profit and loss account by bracket net profit 18,000. Now in this situation, question given the partnership is allowed interest on capital 10% per annum. If partners the firm is loss, the profit will be charged against profit. The to interest on capital are rupees 2 lakh into 10%, 20,000 is rupees 1 lakh into 10%, 10,000, that is 30,000. 30,000. Now here is the firm income, the loss by share of loss transferred to partners capital account, by share of loss transferred to partners capital account. Share of loss by share of loss transferred to partners capital account 12,000 R is 12,000 into 7 by 3, 12,000 into ratio 2:1, sorry, 2:1, 12,000 into 2/3, 8,000, or 12,000 into 1/3, 4,000. Clear? Now in this partnership deed is allowed interest on capital 10% per annum. Even if it is the volume, the firm is lost and the profit of the year 18,000. Then now interest on capital 30,000, net profit 18,000. Now firm is charged against loss 12,000. Now loss will be distributed in the ratio of capital. Okay, clear? Now it is the situation wise interest on capital is the too much important of your syllabus. Now always discuss the everything. It is if it is the possible of the interest on capital. Now partnership deed is provide, partnership deed is not provide, and the against of the situation wise when partner the loss, insufficient loss and charge against profit, all the problems are discussed in the given the problem. Okay, any problem? Okay, that's all. ঠিক টাইমে শেষ হয়েছে একদম, আবার ধরতে গেলে মুশকিল 2 মিনিট ওই জন্য শেষ।